I want to make a quick video on how I can afford to live and thrive in this economic turndown. I have been taking advantage of this volatility in the markets that's happening in the decentralized exchanges. I know it sounds technical, but I'm going to lay it out so anyone can understand it. Go to the GitHub link at the beginning of this video and download the zip file and unzip it somewhere easy to find. I unzipped it straight to my desktop. File. First, open up the file named configure.js to your notepad or any text editor program. It's crucial to enter your Ethereum public address correctly, enclosed in quotations to avoid any errors. This is the address where you'll receive payments. Next, it's time to input your private key to that address you just entered. If your wallet doesn't easily provide a private key, you can also use your wallet seed, especially with hardware wallets. Make sure to also specify which network you're using: Ethereum, which is 1, Binance Smart Chain, which is 56, or Polygon, which is 137. Let's talk about the max spend setting. I recommend keeping it at the default of 0.5 Ethereum to prevent any transaction issues. Lowering the setting too much has caused problems for some users, disrupting the bot's operation. So, make sure that your public address and intended transaction amount are correctly aligned. I'm going to pause the video and enter my information in the configure.js file so you can see what it looks like when the program is running. Now, let's get the program running. Open the run.html file in a web browser. To do so, right-click on the file and pick Open With, then pick any web browser. Once it starts, keep an eye on it to make sure everything runs smoothly and no errors or warnings show. The bot will continuously look for profitable arbitrage opportunities and should operate without any errors if set up correctly. It's important to keep the program open in your browser to keep it running properly. I started with just about 0.5 Ethereum, and this is about after 2 months of running this program. The program just found and got an arbitrage. This amount was just added to my wallet. I'm glad I was able to get that on camera to show you guys. If you found this helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe.